Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I'll be sharing with you 3 ways to use Kadima organic aloe jelly. Benefits of this jelly includes leaving your hair feeling smooth and shiny and soft, and it's great for wash and go. It also protects your skin against sunburn and acne. Now, to use this for your face and your body, you want to take a pea-sized amount of this jelly and apply it to all the affected areas, like areas where you have acne and sunburn. After you've done that, you want to take a light oil, or you can use the Kadima raw shea butter and just generously apply it to your face and massage it in that area. What you'll notice after doing that is radiant skin, protected skin against the radical effect of the sun, and your face will thank you for it. You can also use this as a hair gel. I'll be washing my hair, but first I have to put it in 4 sections for easy working of the shampoo. I'm going to be using the Kadima 2-in-1 protein shampoo and conditioner, and I'll be applying to my scalp, massaging it in there, and also working it through the length of my hair. I'll be leaving this shampoo in my hair for 5 to 10 minutes. After rinsing my hair and my hair is clean from all the debris, I'm going to section my hair into the sections that I want my wash and go to kind of fall in. So before applying the gel, you want your hair to be either wet or damp, and I'll be using the Kadima leave-in conditioner and generously applying that to my hair. Now, working in sections also, I'm going to apply Kadima curl define pudding. Now, this pudding contains agar extract, which leaves your hair soft and shiny and also conditions your hair. You just need a small amount. So I'll apply a small amount of that pudding to my hair, and then when I'm done with that, you can see my hair is left very shiny. I'll be taking the gel, applying the gel generously through the length of my hair. Now, this gel does not leave your hair flaky, and it also gives you a soft hold, so it leaves your hair feeling bouncy and not stiff at all. Even though this jelly has a light hold, it gives my hair the nice definition I need. I'm going to repeat the same steps onto the rest of my hair and continue working on it. After working with one section, I always like to put some clips at the root of my hair just to keep it laid the way that I want it to fall. And then when my hair is fully dry, all I have to do is just remove those clips from my hair and just fluff my hair to remove the parts that appear. And that is my wash and go. This is my summer quick wash and go routine. The third way to use it is as a hair spritz. Now, you're going to need a spray bottle for that. Put in 1 cup of water in that spray bottle. After that, you take the jelly and you can add up to 1 to 4 tablespoons of jelly in there and shake it real good. You want to spray your hair with this mixture and then follow up with an oil or a cream. I'm doing the LOC method, so I'm going to use the Kadima hair oil, and I'm going to apply that to my hair and kind of scrunch everything in. After doing that, I'll be taking my curl define pudding, using that as my butter, as my sealant, and I'll just apply that also onto my hair, scrunching it in. I'm going to do a mohawk style, and for that you just need some bobby pins. I used 4 bobby pins for this style, and I just swoop my hair to the side and apply the bobby pins. And after that, I want to just fluff off my hair, give it the volume that I want it to be, and that is pretty much the style. It's very easy. This is the time when you can have so much fun with your hair, and this jelly gives me the great moisture retention for my hair, especially when using it as a spritz. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please do check out the Kadima organic aloe jelly, and also we hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.